Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add a client sub account in GoHighLevel. So guys, this process that I'm going to show you will be a step-by-step guide, so just simply follow along. So first thing that you will do is log in into your GoHighLevel agency dashboard, and after that just simply click on the sub accounts from the left sidebar, and after that if you're just starting, the list will be empty, and from there just simply click the blue create a sub account button, and from there just simply choose between SaaS account for monthly fees or regular account. So this will be depending on you, and after that just simply select a snapshot or start with a blank one, and from there just simply provide the necessary information about your client details, and from there just simply click on save to create the sub account. And after saving, you'll be taken to the sub account management section, and you can add notes, set up social profile, or customize any information. And after that, to switch to the sub account view, just simply click on switch to sub account. And after that, guys, you can switch back to the agency view by clicking the switch to agency view button. And in order for you to add client access, just simply go to the settings, go to the team, and click on add employee. And from there, just fill in the client details and set permission based on what you want them to access. And after that, just simply choose regular account for the role and assign them as admin or user. And from there, just simply select the sub account and click on save to send an email invitation to your client. And that's it. Your client now has access to your new sub account. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.